That's the Assiniboine Valley. My view is from Highway 83, just south of Minneota here. There's an amazing amount of flooded land down there. Right up to the highway. As I was coming in here, they had road closed signs ready and waiting just in case. Here I'm down in the bottom of the valley now, to give you a better idea just how much flooded land there is here. And once was a farmer's field a few days ago. Now it's part of the Assiniboine River. I expect more water to be coming in. A surge, not quite sure how much, 4 to 6 feet more of the Assiniboine. If that comes in over the next few days, this whole area, including the highway, will be covered with water. Another view of the Assiniboine in its early flood stage here. I'm at the Wapatanka lookout site, which is just north of Minneota, looking into the Assiniboine Valley. I was here about a month or so ago, and the river was fairly high, but had any flooding it had done in the spring had receded. You could still see the dark, damp earth, but nothing like this. I mean, this is hundreds of acres flooded out. A little wider view of the valley here. This is the same kind of flooding that's pretty much going on up and down the Assiniboine River, all the way from Shellmouth Dam right down to Brandon. It's overflowing its banks to some degree or other. Here's a fine example of what's happening today. It's the 3rd of July.